Hi guys, if you are facing Instagram widescreen problem, then this video is for you. I am going to share you how do you solve the Instagram widescreen problem in just one click. I am going to share you 3 steps that help me to solve my problem that also help you to solve your problem in just one click. So first step is simple. Just click on the Instagram icon and here you can see the app info. Click on the app info. So I'm going to app info. You can do it for same Android as well as iPhone. So I'm going to click on that, and after clicking that you can see the permission option. Make sure you can allow the camera, contact information, location, microphone and all that stuff. So if you're clicking on the stop button, make sure you can not clicking on the stop button. You make sure that. So and next step you click on the storage and you see the here clear cache. Make sure you can clear the cache. So I'm clearing the cache, and after that you can see the setting that I have. You can run this baby. I'm going to go on the Play Store and just updating my Instagram. You can do this in just clicking update button. After updating and doing that stuff, you can see that my Instagram is working and your Instagram also will be working if you follow that step. I hope you can enjoy the video and you can know how do you fix the Instagram widescreen problem. If you have any problem, you can message me on Instagram. You can comment down below in this video. If you have any problem, comment down. I hope you can like and share. If you want to know how to create a free WhatsApp, click on the right video.